What's up, Bug Dog with D&E in the garage. Every time I show the engine bay of this Jeep or my old Cherokee, I get the same question. This is the most asked question I get, and today I want to answer it. The question is, why the heck is there Romex in your engine compartment? I get it all the time. Some people are just curious. Some people are downright insulted that I would have Romex in my engine compartment, and I'm going to tell you. This Romex is in here because it's what I used to run my winch controls so that they would be detachable. Now, I use this Jeep to plow with. It is a winch-driven plow right here. So when I disconnect the plow frame from my Jeep, rather than having to undo nuts or something, I just have to unplug this. Makes it nice and easy. I got the idea from BleepinJeep. That's what he used. Just ran an old extension cord through. Made it real easy, nice and easy to disconnect. Now, I've gotten some concern when I've told people this. I said, listen, man, that wire gauge is not proper for what you're using it for. You're going to burn down your Jeep, this, that, and the third. Here's the long and the short of it. That is a 2,000-pound winch. It is a very tiny winch. It does not get a ton of use. A couple times a year, I throw it on the Jeep and I plow my little driveway here, and then when I'm done, I'm done. All right, I've never had a situation where the wire is heating up. I've never had a situation where I felt in any way that this setup was inadequate. Now, I know there are equations you can do, figure out exactly what size wire you can use, but hey, man, this is what worked for me, and it works darn good. I'm thinking about getting an actual outlet to maybe put in the bumper or something, so I don't have this bit hanging down here, but that is why I have Romex in my engine compartment. It's been working for many years. I do not intend to replace it. I have like extra because I needed more from when it was in the Cherokee, so I'll probably cut it to fit this vehicle a little better, but there you go. By all means, leave me the comments down below on how I'm going to burn my Jeep down, how nobody should listen to me because this is for indoors or whatever. I've heard it all. I'm ready to hear it again, but that's what it is. Hope you guys can accept that answer. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.